Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Am I right children? Yeah. So, before going to our session, what we are going to discuss children first of all. So, yes, our ST is completed, our first lesson is completed. I hope everyone wrote very well and most of you got 20 out of 20. Am I right? Okay. So next, our second lesson explanation part is completed, workbook part is completed, CW part, it's your duty. I think everyone completed. Am I right? Yeah. So up to here we have completed. So next part, what we have to do in the next session? In the next session, I have to conduct ST on second lesson also. So I already said in the before session, 2 to 3 days after I will conduct second lesson ST. So before conducting second lesson ST, what we had to discuss? Yeah ma'am, everything is completed. What we had to discuss? We had to discuss our lesson number 3. So what is that lesson number 3? What is that lesson number 3 children? So what will be there in your lesson number 3? So it is a very, so what do you call this? It is like a very interesting one. For example, from 3 to 4 days onwards, what we are observing, like it is like in a chill manner. It is, yeah, am I right? Yeah, it is like chilling or what not? Yeah, yes, ma'am, it is like chilling, and we can feel like a, we can feel like a shiver. Shiver means, so if it is outside, if it is too cold means we will shiver. Yeah, and also we just want to enjoy in that. We just want to enjoy in that. So where we'll enjoy, where we'll just, everyone likes to dance in that also. So what is that? So if you are seeing the movie, also, the movie is also there regarding your third lesson. What is that children? So I said a clue also, from 3 to 4 days onwards we are observing the chill, and also we are feeling shiver, and also we love to play and do you know one thing? So like it is a if it is outside cool means, so everyone want to eat like a hot or spicy food. Am I right? And I am also interested in that. And one more thing which was interested in me is, so what I will be interested, what I will show interest is, everyone needs like a hot and spicy food in the cold days. So it is in my sake, so I have that preference too. And also in this time I like to eat ice cream. So I think some of you have also have the same tips. Yeah children, so I have discussed this. By discussing this only, you have to tell what is our lesson. Yeah, we are talking about the rain. Rain, where does it comes from? So what is our lesson? Rain. So lesson number 3, rain. Where does it comes from? So if you are asking a small kid where does the rain comes from, the first answer coming from his mouth is from sky. Yes, it is true. We are getting rain from sky only. But when you will get, so for example, by seeing outside only, can we tell? Yeah, now it will be raining. Can we? So I'll give a story or like some hint. Okay, one day the 2 children were going to school, and her mother is there. No, her mother came and gave one umbrella. So she was shocked. The 2 children were shocked. Why, mom? Yeah, why you are giving umbrella? It is not like cold outside. So it is, the temperature is in a normal way. So why you are giving that? Then her mother said, it is like rainy, it is like cool outside, so maybe after some time it will be rain, so that I am giving you umbrella before itself. I think this incident has happened in your life. Okay, am I right children? So maybe your father or your mother, your grandparents used to say in the same way. So do you experience this? If in my case means I have experienced in so many cases. So I had not taken the umbrella also, and my father and my mother came to the school and I have to pick up me. Okay, but you have done in the same way? No, you are all two good children. Yeah. So how she say how her mother experienced that? So it will be raining today. How? By seeing the climate. So if you are seeing the climate, so every time this will not work. So sometimes it will be cloudy, but the rain will not come. So you have experienced it so many times. So it will be like cold, like cloudy. So if you are seeing the sky means so many clouds are there. So it will be rainy today, but it will not. So sometimes we'll experience without rain also, and maximum times we'll experience with the rain. Yeah, children. So in this case also, the two children were experienced in the same way. Her mother said after that they went to school. After that they have experienced the rain. Yeah. After that they thought, yes, my mother is true. Okay. And where this rain will comes from? So from where will be? So we'll see the rain. So what are the causes for the rain? Okay, these all. So about this all we are going to learn in this lesson. Yeah, children. So I think everyone know this very well. From second standard onwards, we are learning how the rain will come. So water cycle. So everyone know this very well, right? So in this lesson also we learn the water cycle, and this is the important in our lesson number 3. So now we will discuss the forms of water. So how many forms the water is? So the water is in 3 forms. The water is in 3 forms. So what are those? The first one is solid form. The second one is liquid form. Third one is gaseous form. So, ma'am, what is that? So, water will be in solid form? Yes, it will be. How? So, if you are seeing ice cubes, so if you are seeing ice cubes in your house, ice cubes will be there, no? So, if you are getting any hurt means your mother will put the ice cubes. So, yeah. So ice cube is in which form? Yeah, solid form. So ice cubes which are there, they are called as water ice. These are called as solid forms of water. And do you know if you are keeping these cubes outside, for example, so many members will bring. If it is a summer season means they will bring the water which is full of ice. Why? So till some more time it will be cold water will be present. If you are bringing the ice cubes like icy nature, then it will be for more time. The cold water will be for more time. So that you will bring like ice water, like you will bring, no. So in the same way, ice, the solid form of ice. So this ice will be converted. So this will be converted into water. So water, this will be converted into water. The ice cubes will be converted into water. And also the first starting stage of ice, how the ice will come? Water only, no. Water will be forming as a ice. After that, ice will be forming as a water. This there is having so for example, you will tell for every reaction there is an equal and opposite reaction. You tell, no? So then the same way, so water will become ice will become water. Yeah, we can see that in the form of solid. So in the solid form, the ice will change water will change into ice will change into water. And the next one is liquid form. So liquid form means, I already said, the ice which are present, those will changes into water. So if you are heating ice, then also it will change into a water. It will change into water in liquid. okay, water in liquid forms are present in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, okay, even underground water also. Yeah, we can see. So water, the liquid form, we can see in so many places at the underground water, rivers, seas, and the oceans. Yeah, so this is a water into a liquid form. So water into a liquid form. Water will change into the liquid form. And in the next one, gaseous form. Gaseous form means what? What happens if you are heating the water? If you are heating the water, what do you observe, children? For example, keep a bowl of water, okay, and heat it. Heat. What do you observe? So after some time, if you are seeing after 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes after, if it is a big means I am taking 5 to 10 minutes. If it is small bowl means after 1 to 2 minutes only we can observe that water is coming like a bubbles will come out now. So what is that? This vapor which is coming out from the water after boiling, this is called as a gaseous form. So this is called as a gaseous form. We know that when ice is heated, it will convert into water. So water, after water is heated, then it will convert into it will turns into a water vapor. So water vapor means how it will be, ma'am? Yeah. So we have seen that. Okay, we kept a bowl of water, and in the bowl after that we will keep a lid to the. So what we are heating, for that we will keep a lid. So if you are taking the lid out, then we can see some water droplets on the plate. Some water droplets we can observe in the plate. So if you are cooking the rice, if you are cooking the curries, whatever it might be, we are keeping the lid, and we can see the water bubble droplets like it will be, no. So those are called as a water vapor. Those are called as a water vapor. Again if you are cooling that hot water, again it will be changes into normal water. And this normal water, if you are keeping it in the fridge, again it will be changes into ice water, ice cubes. Yeah. So there is a formula. Formula means, see, ice, water. So ice, water, water vapor. Ice, water, water vapor. Ice, water, water vapor. So if you are heating the ice, what will come, children? Water. And again, if you are heating the water, means what will come, children? Water vapor. So if you are cooling that, then it will become water. And again, if water is cooled means ice. So this is the very, very important formula. If you want to write the water cycle also, this formula is very, very important. So by this we can tell that water is interchangeable. So by this we can tell that water is interchangeable. Okay. So evaporation and formations. Evaporations and formations of clouds. So we can see evaporation. What is the evaporation? What is the condensation? So what do you see in the forms of clouds? So now we will discuss. For example, if you are drying the wet cloths, so wet cloths are there in your house. So we will dry it on the sunlight. So when the sunlight will come, we'll dry it. Then what do you observe? So before keeping it for drying, what do you say? We will wave it. So we will wave the cloths, and afterwards we will keep it on the rope which is there. So we will wave it. So what do you see? If you are waving means what will come out? There's the water will come out from the wet cloth. So this will dry only in the sunlight, or it can dry in the fan also. From the fan also it will dry. So in both the cases it will dry. So if you are running the fan and if you are drying also, if it is more wet means it will take more time. And also if it is near the fan means we'll get the smell also. So if it is in the sunlight means it will be drying fast and it will be good also. So the clothes which are dried in the sunlight is good when compared to the normal when it is dried in the fans. Okay, what does the water, so where does the water go after drying up? What will happen, children? So we are drying some clothes, so water which is there in the clothes, where they are going? Evaporating I said, no? So they are evaporating to the sky. And also so many oceans, seas are there, no? They are also, if the sunlight is more, they will also evaporate, so they will also go up onto the sky. This will causes for the rain. Yeah, the evaporation. So if it is evaporating, then this will causes towards the rain. If I want to give an example, means if you heat hot water, so if you heat water kept in a bowl, so before I said, no, so you may notice that water vapor comes from the bowl. Thus when water is heated, it converted into water vapor and mixes with the air. Okay, this is called as evaporation. Water, the conversion of water into water vapor. The conversion of water into water vapor is called as the conversion of water into water vapor. The process of interchanging. So the process of interchanging also is that water. The process of water changing into water vapor. The process of water changing into water vapor is called as evaporation. The process of water changing into water vapor, this is called as evaporation. So the process of water changing into water vapor is called as evaporation. Yeah, children. So up to here everyone is clear up to evaporation. And also children, do you know, so for example, if it is cool outside, then from the mouth also will get some air. So if you are that air, when compared to this air, the outside air is very cooler, or which we are blowing from the mouth, it is cool. Outside one is very cool when compared to the what we will breathe. What the air is coming from our mouth is little bit less cool when compared to the outside cool. So if you are going out, and if you are blowing, so if you are blowing the air from our mouth, so what do you observe? Like smoke it will come now. So what we are blowing from the mouth, so what the air is coming from the. So if it is like very cool outside, if it is like a winter season, if you are going out and if you are seeing, means it will be like cool. You can't see outside, it is like a smoke covered with this air. So if you are seeing that, and if you are going in that particular time, if you are blowing with the help of our mouth, means if you are seeing, means what do you observe? Like smoke it will come out. Okay, so why the smoke will come outside from our mouth? Yeah, depending upon the, so by the atmosphere. So if it is a cool outside, then we can see this blows. So if it is too cold, so we can see the clouds. And also we can observe if you are seeing the plants. So if it is like a winter season, after that, so if you are going morning, if you are going for walking, and if you are seeing on plants, some water droplets will be there. Why that water droplet will be there? So morning anyone came and poured that water and went? No. What happened? So like dew will call na, dew means what? So night it will be too cool, I said no. So that water droplets will be there on the plants. So that water droplets are called as a dew. Okay, that water droplets which are present in the plants, those are called as a dew. So up to here we have learned what is evaporation, what is water, how water will be changed, and how the rains will come. So in the next session we will come to learn what is condensation and water cycle. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.